Hi friends, today let's learn about colors. Can you help me sort these bowls in these cups? Let's go. Let's take the first bowl. Can you guess what color is this? That's right, that's yellow. Next, we have red. Let's place it in the red cup. Next is green. What color is this? That's dark blue. Next, we have orange. Let's place it in the orange cup. Is this orange? No, this is orange. Next, we have pink. This is the color black. Is this black? Where's black? Oh, there it is. Let's place it in the cup. Next we have white. Let's place it in the white cup. This is gray. We have purple. Let's place it in the purple cup. This is light blue. And we have brown. Well done, children. We've sorted all of them. Oh wow, what's happening? All the bowls have been turned into jewels by magic. Let's pour each in the bowl and see what we find. First, we have the color black. Next, we have is the color green. Look how pretty it looks. Wow. Oh, what's that? It's a frog. Let's put it back in the cup. We have another one. That looks so cute. Next is pink. Let's pour it out and see what's inside. Do you know what animal is this? It lives in the ocean. That's an octopus. And we have a pink candy. Oh, that's a pig. What sound does the pig make? Oink, oink. So silly. Let's pour the white one out. Oh, look. So cute ducks. What sound does the duck make? Quack, quack. We have another one. Let's pour the yellow one. That's another duck, but this time it's yellow. Oh, it's a yellow pig. And we have a yellow candy. And another duck. And the third duck. Let's pour purple. Looks like we have another purple duck. And a purple candy. Red. What do we have in the red cup? Oh, that's a ladybug. We have one ladybug, 2, What's that? Oh, it's a small strawberry. And another strawberry. Next we have blue. This time we have mushrooms. Aren't they cute? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a light blue. What do we have inside? Oh, it's another pig. Oink, oink. We have 2 pigs and a blue duck. Well done for playing with me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.